Hello and welcome to Entacub TV today. We will be taking a quick look at the brief history of Ghana's oil and gas sector. Ghana's journey into oil and gas began long before production. Early exploration efforts in the 20th century revealed offshore potential, but for decades, discoveries remained non-commercial. Things began to take shape in 1984 with a key petroleum law that established the legal framework for exploration and partnerships with international oil companies. The real breakthrough came in 2007 with the discovery of the Jubilee oil field, holding over 1 billion barrels of recoverable oil. By December 2010, Ghana officially became an oil-producing nation. The 2010s saw rapid expansion. The 10 fields began production in 2016, followed by the Sankofa gas project in 2017. Ghana also started harnessing natural gas for power generation, supported by infrastructure like the Atuabo gas processing plant. At the same time, the government introduced local content laws to ensure Ghanaians benefit directly, alongside policies to manage oil revenues through stabilization and sovereign wealth funds. Today, Ghana produces around 200,000 barrels of oil per day. The focus now is on increasing gas use, reducing flaring, and exploring new offshore reserves, while tackling challenges like infrastructure and environmental protection. Ghana's oil story is one of rapid transformation, driven by discovery, policy, and ambition. From discovery to production, Ghana is shaping its energy future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on energy and history insight.